Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Candy brand 9 kg front loader washer. This machine having problem with the touch buttons because earlier I make the video. I think you all everybody you watch that video. That one as same before. This machine problem also touch button not working. That's been ribbon having problem. Now I will show you the problem and we will go to the next step. I'm selecting option here. Direct spin cycle I will select here. Drain and spin cycle. You can see here. But any all option, time delay, uh, time, and also temperature and spin cycle, everything's are working. Also smart touch also working, and only the problem this start pause button not working. This is the problem. Earlier I did the same video, but at that video I show you how to replace the ribbon. Today I'm going to show you how to repair this one. We will try to repair. We can if it is possibility to repair, I will show you how to repair this machine. We will now remove the top cover, and we have to take the front panel, and after that we will try to repair this one. We will go to the next step. Now we will remove the detergent drawer here. Also now we have to remove the two screws are here. Also top two screws. After that we can take the front panel. Anyway we have to repair the touch button, otherwise touch ribbon, because it's not working. This one not working. We will disconnect the power first. Now I already remove all the screws. Now we can take here downside one lock. Here you can see here down. We have to release that lock. After that front panel will come out. It's like that, very easy. This lock, don't break it. We have to release this lock, otherwise it's not coming. Now you can see this is the touch ribbon. Now first of all we remove the harness assemble from the control board. I have to disconnect all the harness here. This is the power supply. Also no need to mark here, only one connector because of that. Now I release the harness. Now I will do one thing. I will remove the control board from the panel. Here no screws are here. Just simply I can take the panel out. Here lock. Yeah. Now it's okay. Okay. Now I already release. Now you can see here it is a ribbon. We can remove also here. Now we can take it out. You can see here, my dear friend, this ribbon end. Here it is actually, it is like a corroded. It is already ribbon not touching with this connector. Because of that only it's not working. Now I will remove this one also. After that we can identify here any problem with the ribbon, any damage in between. Here also two locks. Here simply we can remove like that, and this one it will come out because of that. Careful. Now you can see here this ribbon, actually it is, yeah, this is the common line, and here it will come 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 connectors are here. While we are checking here, this is the connector which is connecting here ribbon. Now here it will come like that. Now here, while you are counting here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is one is common, 1 2 3 like that. It is the first one which will come to the touch start post button. Now I will do one thing. Now all the buttons are working, only the start button not working. Because of that, I will do one thing. I will connect here one wire, and I will come to here, and I will show you what to do, what I can do. This is the start post button. Now it will come to here, the first one, that's mean this one. Now we will connect the one wire. Now I already soldering here one wire, and it's coming like that. You can see here, it should come to here. Now I'm cutting here. Also cleaning. We have to give power supply only there. Because of that, I am keeping like that here. And also I'm keeping here this like that. And same like that. After that I can here I will paste one sticker here. Now I already fixed wire. It will come like that. Also now I have to fix the, which is we removed the cover here. Now ribbon I will fix again as same before. It's coming like that. We have to lock here properly. Now you can see here it is okay. Now we have to fix control board. Now it's okay. Now we will check with the power. I will give the connection all again. Only this one also be enough for a checking. Now I will give the connection. I will give the power connection. Now just for a checking here, because I didn't connect all the harness, because of that it's showing 821. Now I'm checking this one working or not. You can hear the noise. You can hear the noise. Button is working. Now we will give the power connection, all the harness, and we will check. Now I'm giving all the connections here. Now I given all the connections. Now again I will check with the power before fixing. Dear friends, I already given power connection. Also I connected all the harness with the control board. Now I'm selecting again here drain and spin cycle. Now we will check. Yes, it is working, my dear friends. Before I did video, I replaced the this one ribbons, but my customers, otherwise my who's watching my video channel, they are sending message, so many messages. We are not able to find out this ribbon. Because of that, only I did it this video. It is 100% not. I'm not telling 100% sure, because sometimes that harness is getting too much ribbon, too much damage. We cannot do this type of alternative job, but in this situation that ribbon is accepting now, which is I did as same. As same you have to do that. You can resolve, you can reactivate your washing machine this type. And I'm telling again, if it is no more damage, not much damage ribbon, you can save your washing machine the as same way. I having already, I told you, but here in UAE I can find out, but any other countries they are not able to find out this ribbon. Because of that only I make this video. I think you can try by yourself. It is you, I'm 100% I'm sure it's not much damage ribbon. You can realize your washing machine. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.